Hello and welcome back to my channel, guys. And today I'm going to share with you something that is strange, a strange phone for a strange person. Let's do the unboxing, yeah? So while I'm doing this, I'm just going to share with you, this is the Sony Xperia 10.6, which is the most cheapest Sony phones that existed in the market. Now, why did I chose this? It's because that I've been using this Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium since 2018, so it's like 7 years old now, and it has some problems with the back camera lenses, which is the main purpose of this phone, because it has good display, and it also actually has to be paired with a good pair of lenses, which doesn't work anymore. It only works with the front lens, and the speaker, the bottom speaker, the loudspeaker, doesn't work anymore. It just burst. And then, most and foremost, I cannot use, I'm about to be blocked off from using my banking apps, because this is on Android 10, and the minimum requirement to be able to use the banking apps is the Android 14, which actually this phone does. It has Android 14 in it. I ordered it online from Sony last Tuesday. Yeah, last Tuesday, and it arrives today at noon, Thursday, which is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. 3 days from Petaling Jaya, Selangor, right down here to Johor Bahru. So let's open it up, yeah. So this phone, I bought it online for 1,699 ringgit, which is actually a bargain, because the normal price of it is 2,199. So I saved 500 ringgit, and also it came with, well, it's supposed to be comes with, oh okay, it just tied like so. So let's get rid of this bubble wrap. It's tied like a nasi lemak. Anyway, it's okay as long as the thing is safe inside. So now we have it comes with, free. It comes free with the Sony WFC510 earbuds, which values at around 290 ringgits. Yeah, so it comes with this, and it also comes with, look, style, cover and stand, the original from Sony Xperia 10 for Xperia 10.6. So it's supposed to work like that. So I'm going to open it later on, and here comes, oh, there's another one. The Sony Xperia 10.6 crystal case and tempered glass. Wow, it comes with a tempered glass too. He didn't say. Alright. And now, the star of the show. Da-da-da-da. The Sony phone itself, Xperia 10.6. The 6 is shown here in Roman spelling, Roman numbering. And okay, so what's this? Does this show that it doesn't come with a charger? Probably. So it comes like that. That is the packaging, and also inside a bubble wrap, and also a postage bag like so. Doesn't come in the box, so it might comes a little bit risky when it comes to delivering expensive things as well. It's not the most expensive things in the world, but to me it is, because I seldom buy phones, Alright, so let's open it up. Free 3 months warranty additional if you scan that barcode, Right, so slide this thing off. I think it looks like I have to slide this off. Yes, it slides off like that, and then there are two warranty stickers like so. So I have to cut it, and once I cut this, what does it say actually? Oh, it's just a serial number of the warranty, I guess. So just cut it off. Yeah. So this is actually not plastic, it's paper. So I guess they are trying to be environment friendly, right? And now here it is. Wow. I thought it's heavy, so I gave it a jerk, like it's going to be heavy, because my phone here, the Xperia XZ2 Premium, is heavy, man. This is much lighter. And then okay, let's talk about the body itself. I'm not going to peel this off, because once I peel this off, I better put on the tempered glass on it, right, before it gets scratched. So I'm gonna just compare the size of it, right? I know, because I did the research before I bought this phone, that it's going to be the same height. It's going to be the same height. Look at that. Well, almost. I think so. Oh yeah, because this one has a housing, the silicone casing on top of it. And then, if I put it like that, if I put it like so, I know this, which is actually the downside of the purchase, which I hate, is actually it's 12 millimeters smaller in terms of the width from the Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium. So, well, you can't win anything, right? And then it has a symbol of the NFC, so you can connect any NFC equipment or vending machines using this. And it has a double lens, also comes standard on this Xperia XZ2 Premium. And then it is much lighter. Actually, it's lighter than 150 grams if I'm not mistaken, but it's much lighter. You can feel it. And then it's very small, you see, so it can fit in your pocket, just nice, you know. Now, and it is also thinner by it is also thinner by the thickness. Look at that. You see, this is the XZ2 Premium, and this is the new Sony Xperia 10.6. It's much thinner, much lighter, and it's supposed to be holding the power, the battery power, much longer than this one. It can last about more than 2 days, it says. And I'm going to give it a try and update to you guys. Actually, this is not such a newly launched phone, but it's actually launched like last year during June, right? June, so it's about a year old. But well, for me, I think this is what I can afford with the optimum usage. And yeah, I have no choice. I have to be happy with it. And yeah, where do I plug in the SIM card? Oh, there it is. There's a SIM card there, which I think just opens up with my fingernail. Yeah, there it is. Aha. It comes with a special design this time. The SIM card goes on this side, and then when you turn it on the other side, it's for the memory card. But the original one, like this one, it comes in like memory card and SIM card. So the compartment for the cards are like longer, like so. So this one utilizes less space on the phone, right? Okay, so just bear in mind that the front side holds the memory card and the back side holds the SIM card. Yeah, all right. It's very light. I like it. And then, all right, let's put on the silicone guard and the silicone casing and the tempered glass. Yeah. By the way, it doesn't come with any charging cables or chargers. I was hoping that I will get an original cable from Sony and also its charger. Well, there's nothing I can do, but anyway, I still have the original charger for this. I'm going to use that. Okay guys, I'm so sorry about the mess. I've just had a brunch here at the Eon Tabrau, and we had O'Brien drinks. This thing is good guys. Cinnabon. You should try this Cinnabon. Yeah, it's famous in US and just reached its first or second outlet here in Johor Bahru, and also this bulgogi pizza here, which is nice. Okay, anyway, back to the story. My Sony Xperia 10.6, I've installed the tempered glass, which is also provided in the package, free of charge, and also the casing with the stand also provided. And I like this emblem Sony there, and also they provided this hook which I can hook on my hand here. You see, when I take a photo and then if accidentally I drop it, it will hang on my finger, right? And not like jumping over the bridge or a pool or the ocean as well. And then it has this stand which I can make it stand to view my videos or other YouTubers videos. So that is. And then I would like to show you the battery, the plus point of this phone. Okay, I've charged it 100% fully charged at 12 a.m. last night, and now it's 11:24, which is like another 36 minutes to 12 hours, and the battery remains at 87%, which is only 13% reduced from 100% last night at 12. So look at that, 12 hours, almost 12 hours, and it uses only 13% of the battery storage, the battery power. So this would be awesome, right? Right, so there's nothing else to say about this one. It's very basic. My Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium has a lot of other functions, and the display is much more better than this one. But the camera wise, I can say that it is, yeah, it's functioning. And if I change it to video, it has stabilization. So everything works like a proper Sony phone. So there it is, my new Sony Xperia 10.6 phone. Alright, thank you for joining me, and I will see you in the next video. Cheerio.